Yeah, what a terrible, terrible weather day. But look how we're working on this new house here. And yeah, they're busy plastering the insides. And then here's another truckload of bricks for the new two houses we're starting in 2 weeks' time. And the guys that's delivering these bricks for me on all my different sites is Buxty and Mel. And they've been working with me for a few years already. And yeah, they always give us good service, I must say. Their products are very good. And in the background, that's where the one new house is coming. We're just waiting for the NHBRC now for the enrollment. But anyway, and the prices are also good, guys. If you guys need bricks and cement and so on, they're very impressive, very impressive.